Hey guys, if you did not check out my video of me installing an F-Series style automatic shift knob that illuminates when the lights are on in my BMW E93 series, you'll need to definitely check out that video. So outside of that video being posted, Rush Custom sold out immediately. But now he has his version 2 on pre-order for you guys to check out. So I'll post all his information down in the description box below. No, there has been a lot of interest, of course, in that, but they were already sold out. Now's the time to get up on the pre-order. Takes about 3 weeks, give or take, once all those orders come in. He has 3 different options to choose from. You can have the gloss black like what I have. They have like a carbon fiber look, and of course a silver trim look that you can do. So those 3 different ones. They are the shorter stock on the E93 series, so it's not all like huge and tall. So it's like the perfect size for it. And of course the other different BMW models that they do carry for it. Well, if you haven't checked out that DIY, so that way you can see just how to install it. It's very easy, plug and play system, of course. I'll post up that video here up at the top. Let me know if you have any questions. I have been enjoying mine. I like it. It's a nice different style look to it. Of course, it's not gonna apply to everyone. Not everyone's gonna like it, but I was tired of seeing the same thing that I've seen for the last over 5 years now. So it's a nice little out of touch, like I said, at night and even driving during the day. It's all personal taste, and that's really about it. Well, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. And guys, thanks again. Big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thanks. Hope you have a great day.